Hey, look what I just found. So many amazing things in nature, and sometimes all you need to do is just go to your backyard to find them. But when I found these caterpillars today, it reminded me of sometimes we're looking at menopause from a completely wrong angle. We need to take a cue from nature, that caterpillar going into that butterfly. This is our butterfly stage. Just think, we are now changing and becoming amazing, beautiful beings that are going to flutter our way through the rest of our life. And this is just a new, beautiful phase.